So let's talk about the boxing method. This is quite important when you have got a large area to paint, typically the outside of a house. Another example is in a church where they have particularly high ceilings. It's important when you're painting or got these sort of jobs that the paint that you're using is all from the same batch, just as you would do with wooden flooring or wallpapering. It's the same for paint. Do check the batch number on the tin. Or a lot of paints that we supply, they are tinted to order on our tinting machine. So therefore, when we are putting a tin in our machine, each tin is tinted individually. So therefore, each tin is its own separate batch. And yeah, in theory, they should all be exactly the same. But in reality, you do get a very slight variance between one tin and another. So if you've got a large wall that's going to take, let's say, 15 litres of paint to do it with, and the product you've purchased only comes in 5 litres, it's a good idea to mix all of those 3 tins together in a larger container. So what I've got here to illustrate the boxing method is 3 small pots of pigmented liquid here, and as you can see, they are slightly a bit different. And where you've got one tin that's one colour, try not to make too much mess here, and you've got another tin of a slightly redder version. We've got a slightly purpley one here. So mix them all together, and therefore when you paint the entire wall, all of that wall will be exactly the same colour and there'll be no variance. So yeah, do think about that when you're painting a large wall. Make sure it's one big homogeneous mix, and then you won't have any complaints about it all looking a different colour across the wall.